Video 102, we got motherfucking MIP maps. Let's go over the code. So most of this is just a review. So in GenBlit, we have this specialized downscaler function, which is going to be called by our general downscaler function when we hit certain preconditions. The width and height need to not be equal on at least one axis. And then if we find out that we are downscaling the graphics and that the graphics go into each other evenly, then we're going to end up in this section of code and we can call our specialized downscaler that we've been working on. And within the MIPTile function section, we have this function that generates all of the MIP maps for a certain master memory cell, and it also needs to know the tile magnitude of the largest resolution tile because that affects the layout. This function here is going to be the function that is eventually going to call our specialized downscaler, but it's going to do it indirectly through here. Now, this function up here, this MIPMap helper maker, it's also going to be indirectly called because this right here is going to be called by this wrapper function right here. And this wrapper function right here is going to be called by this wrapper function, right? And this wrapper function generates the MIP maps for a certain KD7 cell. All KD7 cells are master memory cells, but not all master memory cells are KD7 cells. So you see tile mag and then an alias for a master memory cell, basically. Okay, let's go to our next section. So in PigTile, the placeholder image generation graphics within PigTile Gen KD7 that generates all of the KD7 tile graphics. After we make all of the graphics for MIPMap level 0, this new code creates the graphics for all of the lower MIPMap levels. So we need the tile magnitude from the K layout. We're going to go through every single KD7 cell, and we're going to use this MIPTile helper function 8 different times. Yeah, 0 to 7 minus 1 is 8, right? No, it's 7. It's 7. 7 cells. 7 KD7 cells. Of fucking course. But yeah, we're just going to use this over and over again, generate our MIP maps, and that's it. That's it. That's how we're getting this image right here, and we're fucking done. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of here. I'm out of time.